Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download our Electrical Engineering app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app to download notes, MCQs and much more. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now here we have to determine the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Now here we can clearly see this R and this R, they are connected in series. So here we can remove this resistor and we can replace it by 2R. Now similarly here we can see these two are also connected in series. So this will be 2R and we can remove this resistor. Now here also we can remove this resistor. Now similarly we can remove this resistor. Now next step, here we can see this 2R and this R, they are connected in parallel. So here 2R parallel with R. So this will be 2R multiplied with R divided by 2R plus R. So if we simplify this, it will be 2 into R square, 2 into R square divided by, now this will be 2R plus R, this will be 3R. So if we solve this, this R and this square will get cancelled. So it will be 2 by 3 R. So now again, let's copy this circuit and we can replace all these by here we can replace. Let's delete this one first. Let's delete this. So now here we can see this 2R and this R are connected in parallel, and when we solve that, we got 2 by 3 R. So here we can replace this by 2 by 3 R. So let's erase this. 2 by 3 R. Now here all are same, that means 2R parallel with R. Here also 2R parallel with R and 2R parallel with R. So let's erase all of them. And we can put in place of R, we can put 2 by 3 R. So let's put 2 by 3 R. Here also it will be 2 by 3 R and here also it will be 2 by 3 into R. Now next step. Now this became a Wheatstone bridge. Now we will verify whether the bridge is balanced or not. So let's check. So what we have to do, we have to take this ratio and this ratio. Now here we can clearly see all the values are same. That means the bridge is balanced. So what we can do next, we can simply add this. So 2 by 3 R plus 2 by 3 R. So first of all, let's remove the middle R. Otherwise it will cause confusion. So let's remove this R. Now here this 2 by 3 R and this 2 by 3 R, we have to add this. So 2 by 3 R plus 2 by 3 R. Now this will be, let's add this. It will be simply 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So it is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 R. So here we can replace this by 4 by 3. Here also it will be same 4 by 3. So now again, let's make one more circuit. And let's erase this and make a single resistor. it will be of 4 by 3 R. 4 divided by 3 R, and here also it will be 4 by 3 R. Four by 3 into R. Now these two are connected in parallel. So it will be 4 by 3 into R multiplied with 4 by 3 into R divided by 4 by 3 into R plus 4 by 3 into R. Now if we solve this, or we can simply solve the answer by taking, here we can see both the values are same. Now when two resistances are connected in parallel and they both have same resistances, that time we have to take half of it. So we can solve by this method also. So let's solve by this method. So it will be 4 by 3 into 4 by 3, and this will be R square. So let's solve this. 4 by 3 multiplied with 4 by 3. It will be 16 by 9. So 16 divided by 9 multiplied with R square divided by, now this 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3, this will be 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 into R. Now this R and this square will get cancelled. So what's remain? 16 by 16 divided by 9 divided by 8 divided by 3. So it is simply 2 by 3 into R. So this is our final answer for RAB. This will be the resistance between terminal A and B for this question. And this is how we can solve the equivalent resistance problem. If you want to download notes, MCQs and much more, you can visit this website link, electrical-engineering.app. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.